Just going to do a video on my solar oven. What makes this one unique is it mounts directly to the camper. And on the inside, I installed a gauge right there. Reach in, and there's 3 of those inside. Just pull them out, you're in business. This is a shield for it. Kind of locks in like that. You have to put this on there unless you plan on babysitting the oven. You'll burn the food up, so I built this device and it kind of just wraps around like this. And you pull the drawstring tight and that's it, and it'll stay there. Furthermore, on the other side there's another one of these attachment on the back side, so the sun is setting in the west, you can just flip it to the other side of the trailer. Open it up, hold on to the strap, reach over, pull the bar, take the muffin pan out. Right, lunch is ready.